Hi, in this video we're going to go over how to set up the proposed Padlet speaking practice activity for speaking task 1. So you need a Padlet account, which is free, hacer un Padlet, and here you should select columna. This format is better than others I have tried. Okay, so you get different, you can call it speaking practice or whatever you want. Then I would scroll down and make sure nueva posición de la publicación es here in último, donde aparecen las publicaciones nuevas, último. Keep that. All right, so the idea here is for students to practice for speaking task 1, but in a controlled, slow environment. So you can create groups. Name your first section. You'll call it, for example, like pair 1, and then you can tell the students like you and you are pair 1, here pair 2, or you can put their names and say, you know, like Juan Camilo and Maria Paula, for example. And so each pair knows where to work. Now the idea is that they will have a conversation in each column, which will be like a WhatsApp voice messaging conversation. So if I start it, I can go here and put grabadora de sonidos. So I could say something like, so hi, partner's name, we need to pick an activity for our students to do on Friday. What do you think about ice skating? Okay, then I can listen. I could say something like, so hi, partner's name, we need to pick an activity for our students to do on Friday. What do you think about ice skating? All right, we like it, so we save. And we wait for just a moment. Okay, and publish. So that shows up there. And now, as if this were on WhatsApp, the other partner can then put a response here and say, ice skating sounds nice. It sounds like a nice idea, but maybe a lot of people don't know how to ice skate. So I think going to the movies would be a better idea. How about you? What do you think? Ice skating sounds nice. All right, and then we check and guardar. Okay, and then the newest comment is down below, and you can keep going back and forth like this. Well, what's the objective of this activity? The objective is for them to get some speaking practice, but because it is slower and they can kind of plan what they say, you can really encourage them to use vocabulary to sort of plan. And if they don't understand, they can listen a few times. So just as a scaffolded practice activity, of course, it's optional. You can do this exact thing or improve or do something completely different, whatever you see pedagogically fit.